or anyone who's done it in the past and feels that manifestation has some magic can just go ahead and share their experience.
एक second. Rati, may I say something? I'm Vijeta.
Yes, please.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Okay, like after the manifestation session what we had, and then there were some, I would say some problems that were coming in my mind related to job and all those things. So then, yes, as guided by you, I did my manifestation. And the very next, like after 2, 3 days, I would say, like afternoon, I got a call from my school and from my principal that he's looking into this matter regarding, because now since this pandemic is still on, so as soon as something is there, she'll get back to me and she will definitely appoint me. So I'm there on the panel still. So that was the great, thing that I was really thrilled to hear after a long time that yes, I'm not chucked off from my job. So thank you so much. Thank you.
That's really nice, Vijeta.
Yes, we did have a talk post this session and we had a detailed discussion on the issues that Vijeta had, and luckily she managed to write and believe in the magic and she did get the result too. So it's actually magical. So I'll just go straight to what we are supposed to do. I think now I can share my screen. Great. Just a minute. So can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
So thank you. So this was something that was shared by Sunanadi also in all her groups, I suppose, in a different format, of course. But these are the basic 6 steps that we usually take in creating a vision board. So what we have to do is we have to have a list of goals. Everybody has their list of dreams, right? So we have to have a list of goals which we discussed in the last session also. And for the vision board, what do we need? We need few pictures. So it could be from old magazine. Now you must be wondering why.
Rati, are you trying to show a PPT?
No. It's just a single.
All we are seeing is your desktop.
No, but here is the image says the 6 steps. You can't see that?
No, we can't see that. There's no image.
The image that is attached to the steps to creating is in a part of a desktop, Rati. So maybe you will have to open it.
First, you open this file and then share that file, the open file.
I opened it from here only. Now?
No, you stop share. You stop the share. Yeah. And then now share the open file. Don't share your desktop.
Or maybe you can send it to Jayashree and she can share it, Rati.
Or is it part of what you had done, shared earlier?
No. So it's I think this was already shared in the group though.
Okay, then it was one of the ones which we've already have, right? Okay.
Okay, 1 minute then. One minute.
I think if she double clicks and opens it now and then share it, then it would display on the screens as well.
नहीं हो रहा है ना, say because which image?
I've sent you one. I've sent you one vision board.
I've got it.
It's got 6 steps. Yeah. I think this is the one she wants to share.
Yeah, just a minute.
I sent this also today.
Yeah.
Rati, you can check if this is the one you want to share.
Is this the one?
Yes, correct. This one.
Okay, great.
Thank you so much. So I'll start again. So these are the basic 6 steps that you need to follow for your vision board. So the very first one is that you have to be very sure of the goals in life, like your dreams in life, and followed by how do we do it. So you could always refer to an old magazine. Why an old magazine? Because, for example, if it's a kind of a dream house that you're looking at, you could just flip over the pages and could just pull out any image, that image of an house that attracts you, and you could just just keep that aside for your vision board. You could just take out any image of a vacation, like you I was discussing about, you wish to travel to London, so you could just print out a picture of the London Bridge, or you could just take an old photograph if it's related to your slim body. So you might have been slimmer in the past, in the past someday, some old days. So probably you could just pull out that photograph and keep that for your vision board. So these are the few examples that you could do for your vision board. Now, find pictures. Now, these two points I've already covered. Like, you have to collect pictures from old magazines, or you have to just look in your memories and go find the pictures that you really wish to achieve in life. Right? Just relate it to your dreams. Then you can make a collage. That's not compulsory of making a collage actually, but it's like printing out those images and having it ready for your vision board. Now another thing is, like, now that you have images, like for example, if I wanted my son's admission in Step by Step School Noida, so I had the school's image with me, the school's buildings image with me, the school's bus image with me, and on my board I pasted that image and I wrote, I manifest my son's Aditya's admission in Step by Step School. I affirm his admission in step school. And then with a yellow bus, I wrote that someone's on unmuted. And then I also wrote below that yellow color bus that I affirm my son traveling in this bus to his school, which is Step by Step School. That's one example. Now, after you've collected all the images, like related to your health, your job, your family, your dream car, someone's unmuted, so it's there's a lot of noise. If everyone
can you mute me also, Rati? I'm not being able to mute because the minute I move my cursor, this picture shifts.
Okay, I'll do that. You have to have all these images ready. So if I talk about, say, your dream car, so you can easily go Google your dream car, have a picture printed, and below that you could just write, I'm manifesting this dream car of mine, or I'm thankful and grateful for being for being for driving a Mercedes E-Class, for example. And probably once things are okay, once the pandemic is a little better, then you could just go take a test drive of your dream car. And when you come back, you have to have that image, of you driving in that car, being on that driver's seat, and feeling the happiness from within of driving your own dream car, right? Another could be your dream job. So, for example, if I have a dream job of working say Google, the company Google, I'll go search for their job vacancies, and then I'll of course create a very nice CV. But at the same time, I will just a minute. Sorry, my daughter was here. And the same time, I'll just imagine myself going to that office, that building, and working there with the other colleagues. Also, there is one movie where the office of Google is shown. So I'll go watch that movie, imagine myself working in that company with the same environment and everything. So it's about having a picture to your goal. It's up on the board, and then you will have to just write an affirmation or a positive quote just below that image. You could always do it on a Word document. You could paste, you could do it on your laptop, right? So you could just paste that image on your Word document. Below that, you can write and just take a printout and stick it. Even if you don't want to go dig into your old magazine or, look into your old photographs and the pain of getting it printed, because that's when we get lazy that, acha, theek hai, we'll get it done in a day or two. But the idea here is that anything that you can do, you could just take a screenshot and just take a black and white printout. It's about having it up somewhere where you can look at it and feel that image in front of you. Feel that you're already there in that situation, right? So that's my motive basically, right? Someone's raising their hand. iPhone. It says iPhone. Yeah. Can I? Any question? Can I go ahead? All right. I think it's by mistake. So these are the basic few steps. So if any one of you could just tell me about if you've understood the process, you can stop sharing the screen. Thank you, Jayashree. Yeah. So if I may ask, if any one of you have, you've got a dream, and if you could tell me what kind of an image you would be putting up and what would you be writing just below that dream of yours? An example. Yes, Sunana.
So I have done my homework a bit. One is to improve the relationship with my husband or go for trips. So this is Love is in the Air, and it's got this couple, together.
Yeah.
So this I got from a magazine. Then there is this photograph which I found, which looks like a corporate person. Correct. So I'm planning to be a CA Sunaina. So this is my picture for being a CA Sunaina Sugla. And
very nice.
I'm also planning my daughter's wedding soon. I mean, of course, we still have to look for a guy. So this is what I found, plan a wedding.
Wow.
Very nice.
And even I got these pictures where these girls, I mean, I'm imagining my family having a good destination wedding.
Wow.
So these are the pictures I've collected. Vision board.
Okay. Those are nice. And if you could just take any one of them, the most important out of all that you've collected, I was expecting. And if you could just tell me what would you be writing for this dream of yours?
Okay. But I think I should give the option to other people here. Anybody else who wants to share and carry on?
No, because we'll just have others. Others would also get motivated to share theirs. If you just tell me, how would you be writing?
Okay. So I think for the vision board, I thought I would write when you become a CA, then you get to add CA in front of your name, prefix it. So what I thought is I'm going to write that I can see myself as signing as CA Sunaina Sugla. Then my exams are right in July. So I would need everybody's wishes. I wanted to see that I have cleared my exam, got a distinction in a subject. The way you said that we have to keep visualizing pictures.
Correct. So that's really nice. These images are just perfect, Sunyanadi, but I think because of the current technology and the app and all that you have, if you could just photo shoot your photo, and then you have this corporate feeling, but you could just ask someone to do that for you. You could just have yourself there instead of some other person. Like that image that you just shared is just amazing. But
so I have a picture of my daughter graduating, but she had, just for fun, put her graduation cap on my head. So if I use that picture, is it okay?
That's also okay. So, it's about that pride. You're seeing yourself instead of some other face. So that adds more confidence to your dream. You'll feel more connected. So wherever, like the couple that you showed in the magazine, why I wanted you to share the photo was that go for your couple, right? That's someone you do not know. But if you have you and your husband there, instead of them, aapko kya karna hai? Just take that page only. Instead of it, just cut one of your photo and paste it there. So you'll be seeing yourself there and you'll be imagining everything. Abhi to you'll have to forcefully put yourself there.
Got it.
I have to see myself.
It will make it more realistic.
Correct. It makes. This will also do well, but it's about adding your own photo to it.
No, I want to reach my goals faster, so I don't mind putting the real pictures.
Yeah. Please do that. Please do
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Anyone else wishes to just share any one dream and how would they write? Please go ahead. Please share. I think this is more of an interactive session.
Rati, can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Yeah, just remove my mask. I had made a vision board for myself, I think sometime in the month of January or something, but I didn't take pictures or something. I made it on CorelDRAW on my computer.
Yeah.
And is that good enough? Because I was then able to pick up things from Google and cut and paste and create.
Fine. I just said that, the idea of old magazine and photographs was for those for whom, it is easier to just take out a few old magazines and just pick out those images and start at least. For few, their laptop is everything for them. Like, they just want their system in front of them and they'll be able to do it, and then just a print and it's there.
So do I now take a printout of this and paste it in a place where I can like see it every day, or should I make?
That's recommended, but at times people who are working, who are always rushing in the morning and at night, they just come and sleep dead on the bed. For them, it could be on their desktop also if you're okay with anyone looking at it, or it could be saved on your phone. Even if you're doing it at home, like if you've done it at home and you are traveling, please do take a picture of your vision board when you travel abroad or anywhere else where you can't be seeing your vision board every day. Please take it along. How do you take it along? By taking a photograph. And every day, whenever you are traveling also, please do have a look at your vision board.
Like I'm seeing this after 3 months and I'm just noticing quite a few of those points I'll be able to tick it off. So I'm feeling very happy seeing my vision board now.
So it works. It really works. At times I also make it. I make my vision, like few days back only had to just discard the old ones, and I've almost done on my laptop only. I have to just take and this time I wanted to do a colored printout because the black and white gets little boring. So I wanted it to be little colorful for me. So I've done it. I just need to take a printout and it will be up again, and it does wonders. So here I'll just share one of my incidents when I wanted to conceive. So with my first child, I didn't do any vision board or anything. I just wrote that I want to. I am beautifully blessed with a child. So it happened. The first baby was a boy, and then that I had taken out a printout of from Google only of I'd written children, and usme whatever image came, I just printed out and I wrote and I stuck it on my vision board. And the second child I conceived really early, and after having my second child, I said, okay, this one is almost done, fulfilled. Let me just pull it out from my vision board. And guess what I noticed? When I was removing it, my second child was a girl, is a daughter. Sorry. So, and after when I was removing it, I realized that the face of that child on that sheet was a boy and the other was a girl. So it was, of course, done not purposely, but when I saw that image, I was surprised. And a girl in my family, a girl child was born after 60 years in my immediate husband's immediate family. So my mother-in-law always wanted a girl child, granddaughter. And everybody was in tears when she was born. And I was in tears when I was removing that from my vision board. At that time, I said, no matter what, I have to continue this practice. That it is magical. It is actually magical. So this is one incident that I really wanted to share today. And thanks to you for just sharing yours. And I was reminded of my.
Yeah, I'm just looking at my vision board and I can see so many things I have been in the last.
Have you already been able
3-4 months,
have you already achieved anything?
Yes, quite a few of them. I'm so
if you could just tell all of us that when you had written any one or two of them, and in how much time were you able to achieve it, and what did you put? What was the image?
can I just, let me see, how do I, इसका camera कैसे turn कर सकते हैं? I could have shown. Let me see. Can you all see?
Yes, we can.
My own vision board. This was my vision board.
Yeah.
Okay. Now in this, I've written one place. I've written I can cycle from Andheri to Bandra and back regularly. Do 50 push-ups, 50 Surya Namaskar, sit in Vajrasan and Malasan pose.
And this is what?
And this I had written sometime, I think in Jan or something. And yeah, I'm doing everything. In fact, I'm doing more than Andheri to Bandra. I can now go up to Worli. I'm doing 108 Surya Namaskars. I couldn't sit on the floor. I'm now doing, I can do Vajrasan and Malasan. So, yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it amazing?
Amazing vision.
Yeah,
Fantastic, Vijay.
And there was so many other things also which I can see over here, which I have
now
achieved.
I think you want to look at it now. Now you
I'm seeing this. This is what I'm just saying. I'm seeing this after so many months. I should actually take a printout and keep it there.
Yeah, and I think you must share that in your group. Everybody in your Tangent group, I think they'll really get motivated to make their students well.
I'm Lakshmi. Hi, I'm
Hi.
from Salem. Yeah, so my biggest problem always, how do I control the weight? How do I come to my ideal weight? It never seems to happen. And then when we are almost ready for it, another lockdown comes and, we're busy putting on weight. So how would I do an affirmation for it, and how would I put a manifestation?
Lakshmi ji, I can send you a detailed affirmation wordings. Later on, I'll send it to Sunaina and she'll forward it to you.
Yes.
But just to tell you and give an example, you have to keep saying that, I am attracting healthy weight. Or if you're looking at a certain weight, like, like I wanted to cut down on 4 kgs. So I kept saying that I've happily managed to cut down 4 kgs on my weight. I'm happily managing my weight. I'm fit. My body is healthy. I'm attracting a healthy body. So this is one example that I usually do, because when I feel that even I am putting on and I'll be having a tough time to cut down on that weight, I start with these affirmations. I'll anyways send it to you. The day you want to do, another being at that perfect weight. Now, not going back to those teenagers days or something, because that's not possible with the age factor also. But I'm sure you must have been at that weight which you want to be right now. So you could just take that photo of yours from your cell phone, take a printout and stick it onto your vision board, and just write below it that I'm attracting healthy, attracting.
The image with an affirmation, is that what you call a vision board?
Correct.
Not images alone.
No,
it has to be an image.
Only images is also okay, but I recommend writing something below that images, because you know what you exactly want from that vision board of yours.
Do we give ourselves a timeline on every vision that we need to have?
Just going to ask that question.
Timeline, initially, if you're just beginning to do your vision board, please avoid. Just start with something small that you want to achieve. It could be a phone call from a friend. Once you achieve that manifestation of yours, then slowly you can start timing. You're giving a time deadline to your dreams. Why I don't recommend right now is because at times when you don't achieve it, you feel really demotivated. You feel that nothing works. No technique, no God, nothing on this earth can work for me. I'm useless, I'm hopeless, my dreams are just not happening. So it just adds to negativity, I feel. But once you start achieving those smaller dreams of yours, you can start giving a date to it. Not date, but maybe month. Like, for example, like Sunaina said, she wants to see herself as a CA Sunaina. So from now only, I recommend that you start writing, at least to your sister, your cousins and all, where you can write. You said, hi, whenever you make the call to them, hi, I'm CA Sunaina. You have to feel that pride. मतलब अभी you have to just feel that it is yours. आप बन गए हो CA Sunaina. Then agar abhi you're not sure, then you have to just write that, in the month of October. Like, for example, I wish to start this manifestation. I want to take this up as a career professionally. I wish to start. So I write, I'm professionally starting my manifestation career from October 2022. So I'm giving a month and a year to it. And then I'll be working towards that goal. So giving a deadline is not a problem, but when you start this practice, then avoid, because at times if you're not able to get it, then you feel demotivated.
Rati, another question. Now we make a vision board and you say we write something. Okay. But then everybody sees it, right? Anyone who comes into my house, my children, everyone will be seeing it and they'll be wondering what it is. So how can we, is it okay for everyone to see it, or should it be something more where only we see?
I'll have two things here. Few of them really don't want to share their vision board with the family. There are certain things which you don't want others to see. So in that case, you'll have to have a secret place, to be honest. So initially, when I had few things which I was actually not, I didn't want others to see, but I was shy with having my own vision board where people would come and see. So it was inside my cupboard. So the inner panel of the cupboard, where of course only I was opening. I had the keys and no one else could just open and see my vision board. Later on, it's at a place where everybody can see, because now I'm okay with it. If that also doesn't work, that your cupboard can be opened by anyone else also in the family, and they have that right, and you'll feel really bad if someone else sees to it. Then make a vision board, click a picture and keep it in your phone. Then again, that's a problem, that nowadays the grandchildren will not leave your phone. Your smartphones are always with them. That also not possible. Then you'll have to find a secret place. Do it in a diary which only you know where it is kept. Open that diary, open that book, that art book, and just have a look at it at least once or twice a day, and just feel happy about it. So I'm sure there are certain things which you really don't want others to have a look at. It's really secretive, and there'll be few members walking in and looking at a vision board and spreading that message. She's written, for example, because we belong to this society where the society behaves like that. If you write something like for example, if Sunaina Di said related to the relationship, then others might go and spread the message, that they're having some relationship problems. That's why you don't want to put it up on the board.
Yeah, exactly. That's my point also. Yeah.
Yes. So that way, do it on your phone if possible. Phone bhi nahi karna hai, then you can just have it in a diary, in a sketchbook somewhere, which is there at a place when you know that nobody can even reach out to.
How many visions can
Thank
I
you.
have at a time?
Unlimited.
Unlimited? I thought it's only one and you have to achieve that and then go for the next.
First get confused.
No, the thing is, the vision board can have unlimited images, but you have to when you start, like I said earlier, when you start, please focus on the most important dream of yours. Because if you have too many images on the board, you'll not be able to put energy, that positive energy, towards each and every goal of yours. So you'll have to have the most important ones that you wish to achieve first on the board. And then once you are pro at it, keep adding images to your vision board.
Jayashree, you and me already confused the universe.
Exactly. And both of us are thinking alike. I think do something.
I hope
there was a question in the box by Lata. She's saying, otherwise also, like at these times when people are a little sad, some things happen with people, they're not in that mood for manifesting or dreaming. So how do we get positivity that time, in those circumstances, when somebody's you should be manifesting now also.
Correct. This is the most important time to put this practice into action, actually, to be very honest, because I know now things are getting back to normal, not really normal, but everybody, like offices are opening, businesses getting back to the same thing. But they'll be like, we really cannot open a diary and start writing. We really cannot pull out images and write positive affirmations when our mind is already full of negative thoughts, right? So in that way, you'll have to just, you have to tell yourself that life must go on, right? Life goes on. So you have to sit peacefully, and because luckily and by God's grace, if you've survived this pandemic, you are safe, your health's just perfect. You have to just take a deep breath. 2 minutes of silence is what you need. And then again, just think that where you are, is this what you wanted out of yourself, from your family, from your kids? This is what you imagined when you were, when you actually were, when you could just see the way, the life that you wanted. If the answer is no, which is generally no, we because our mind is full of so many things that we stop focusing on our dreams, right? So take a moment of silence, close your eyes, and you just go back to your dreams. You don't have to write right now. Even after doing that, you feel that no, I still cannot write. First, your mind has to be in the place where you can start focusing. Once you feel that, yeah, the focus is there, then you write. Even if you write one dream, you don't have to forcefully think, oh, what I have to dream, what was my dream, or what do I want from my kids or from my own self. If you're not able to, please don't pressurize your mind. With time, that dream will pop up again. But the moment it does, start writing. Right?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Sunaina, let's have another session after we finish our dream boards, vision boards. We come back with our vision boards to show it.
I think we must give this vision board a deadline, because we get motivated. Like Vijay, right? He shared a vision board, and the happiness on her face, the excitement, the contentment that came on her face. After so many days, she was able to look at it, and she was so happy that she's already being. It's like a tick, 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 tick to few of them. Isn't it amazing? So why can't we do it? I mean, all of us can be on the laptop, design our own dreams, draw it. If you are a good painter, draw it with your own hands. Do whatever. Board bhi nahi chahiye. I'm saying you do not need a board to just start your vision board. Just choose any wall of your house, any wall. Just go place it. And once you feel that now I want a bigger space, order a vision board. Amazon is just a click away. Order a vision board, put it, make it more colorful, enjoy your life. I think the moment you start doing it, you would want to have more dreams. You would want to keep fulfilling all your dreams. So I know the pandemic has done a lot to all of us, from a very positive to a very negative person. Even if we try to be positive at times, again, certain situations, they'll again, bring you back to square one. But now that you are okay. Even if you had COVID, you are okay. There were certain things that happened in life which were really painful for you, but please go back to your dreams, go back, look at it, and achieve them. And this practice is magical. It is magical. Thank you, Sunanandi. Any other question? Anyone else has any image with them? They did this little homework of collecting images from old magazine, or any photograph that they have and they would want to share with us.
No, we'll do it now, because this is actually my first getting to know what a vision board is, So you're my guide on this. So I'll now work on it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I have a that.
Yeah, Shagun, please say.
Hi, Shagun.
Yeah, Shagun.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Radhi.
Hi.
Hi. I basically, on my vision board, I did something very interesting. Apart from like cutting from the magazines, there was a little bit of my past which was hidden in files and folders, which what we usually do is, we collect things, we pack them up, we stack them in drawers, and forever and ever they lie in drawers for years and years till a pandemic hits, and then we get all the time to take them out, clean them again. So in that cleaning process, instead of the magazine, what I did was, I took out my old achievements, my gold medals, which from college, and all that, and I put them up on the vision board. So that was added. In fact, I was really excited to share this with you, Rati. So when I put the copper, put up the bronze, which was, almost very dirty, tangy. Even the strap was so, it was like somewhere that, I had thrown away my past so badly, packed it up. So once I put it up on the board, I felt conscious, of cleaning it, putting it nicely. And then, of course, it got me all my memories back. So that was quite helping me form my vision for tomorrow.
Very, very. Thank you, Shagun, for sharing. I think it really motivates you, to get back to what you were and what you always wanted to be. And also, I think you have to remember that certain people in your life have that expectations from you. Like it could be your mother, your father, your husband, anyone. They see a child, their own child rising and shining. So at least, for your own self and for them at least, always keep shining. That's what I believe.
Yeah.
Anyone else has anything to share? If you could just share any dream and how would you be going about it? Like, what kind of an image you're looking at and what kind of information you would be penning down so that it can help others too. You can take a minute to think.
Rati, like a lot of people would want to be traveling. And now because of these times, like travel is one thing which in the normal circumstances, it's on a dream list of many people. Like you mentioned, you want to go to London or somewhere. So is it okay now to put travel since the situation is not so good to put traveling as one of the points?
Why not? Because traveling, then you have to, keep
or a vacation,
in mind that currently, of course, you could always travel to a resort, a place where you'll be just in the room and you'll be relaxing in the pool and your own family. So that way it has started. Honestly, it has started. And there's still time. So probably I think things would be normal. So traveling at a safer venue, a place where you don't have to be out in the market at congested places and all, that's possible anyways. So I think it's not a, so we could always restrict our travel dreams actually right now to places where we feel it's safer to travel. Right. Can I just take a minute? My son has been just traveling. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, sorry.
I just want to say this. This is the beauty of the Indian mother. She works at home, she works at work, and then she works with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Further motivating.
How do we write affirmations in a vision board? Or are we supposed to write affirmations? Can I not just write like
affirmation? No, not I can. It has to be basically I'm thankful and grateful, or it has to be something that you have to write in a way that it looks like that you've already achieved that dream of yours. So affirmations, why do we write affirmations or practice affirmations is because it makes it makes you as a person, it makes you very positive person about anything and everything in life. So then you'll start seeing that any negative situation, you'll be talking a positive side about it. So like even health issues that turn up, right? Like, even if, like, for example, if someone gets COVID positive, so you'll be like, I'm thankful and grateful that I don't have to be in the hospital with that oxygen concentrator on. I'm at home quarantined and I'm getting fit and fine. That way. So it's about...
So you write all this on your vision board?
You can, if you don't want to, that's okay. But you need to start practicing affirmations. You need to start putting that into practice, is because it really makes a lot of difference to your own self and your surroundings. So, I'll share later on. I'll share with Sunanadi. I'll share a few of affirmations with health or relationship and maybe job or being a positive person. So it will give you an idea about what affirmations is. So I was sharing that with Sunaina, we could have a session on affirmations too, but I think because of the jewels and all changing and everything, and because you are already doing it, I think with the other
Meghna.
Yeah.
yeah. So if later once things are done, settled, and if we want to have it, we can do it again, just affirmations on affirmations once things are settled, and if you want to have it, because it's a very different and it takes a lot of time to understand affirmations. Yeah. So now things that we must do after this session, maybe because we have a weekend, so we can always work upon a vision board. So you'll have to go back to your dream page. If you've not written your dream page, please write it. Sit down and write at least 2-3 dreams which are really important. The pandemic is not over, and if we are expecting a third wave, then still you have to have your dreams there on that paper in your mind, and then just pull out those images from your album, your old magazines. Like Shagun said that she dumped all her awards and her certificates, then she pulled them out, clean kiya usne us sabko, and she was so happy about it. And so that ways also, just do things that will make you feel motivated. Just do that, and I'm just a WhatsApp away. Just message me if you face any difficulty. I'll share the ones that I don't know, somehow I was not able to share my screen. I wanted to share the ones that I've done for myself, but I'll share that image with Sunaina and she'll forward it to you, all of you.
I have a question here, Rati. Like you said, once you're making the vision board, some barriers which it's a very generic question, but then a lot of people do face it. Even people I work with have raised this a couple of times, but I really want to ask you this.
Shagun, can you hear us? You wish to continue with the question? Are you muted?
You want to wait for the participants to join in, or should I ask you?
Just a minute. We'll wait for a minute, I think.
I think some people will take time. Should I carry on, Rati?
Yeah.
Carry on.
Okay, so basically my question is, at times when you're designing a vision board or you're writing your dream page and all that, we have to be realistically practical that, everyone is not, surrounded by an environment which is 100% positive all the time. There could be setbacks. There are setbacks at times, something goes wrong or, whatever for that reason. So then, of course, and you can't design your whole vision board in one go. It's you do it today, you do it tomorrow, you do the cuttings, you do the pastings. It takes time. So my question is, Manavan, is how, like if you want to do up your one vision board for some particular period of time, how long should it take you to design a vision board? 1 day, 1 hour, 4 hours, 2 days, 3 days, or you can keep changing it? That's the first question. Second is, while you're designing it, when the not so positive things happen, you're not motivated enough to design your vision board. What do you do at that point of time? Because you have to, some point I could be extremely excited to design my vision board, but the second day maybe I lose a loved one due to COVID, and suddenly you dip, so it affects your vision board. So how do you deal with that? That's my question. Yeah.
So when it comes to the time you should take on designing your vision board, I recommend that at least paste one on the board. Don't wait for all the cutouts or for all the dreams and, writing affirmations on it. At least start at least, put one or two and keep adding to it. So don't limit yourself. The moment you decide that once, let me have everything in place, and then the next day you'll decide that I'll put it up on the board, and the third day you decide to put the wordings to it, it never happens. So when you have one image on the board, anything that you have on the board, you'll feel motivated to write more, to complete your vision board. So I that's one thing that I believe, that just start, at least start, put something onto it, and then every day when you look at it, like it's incomplete, let me just put, complete this task of mine. If you keep delaying it, that today I'll cut it and something else comes up, it's more important than you cutting those pictures and putting it up on the board, it will get delayed. So when you're sitting, make sure that you make at least one proper vision board for one image, at least properly done, which is there up on the board, and then keep doing it. So there's no limitation, but you have to have that deadline, that at least I want these 3 dreams to be up on the board, because I'm thinking about it, I want them to be achievable, so I better do my vision board as soon as possible. Another question that you said is, while you're doing it and you have such negative surrounding and negative comments and negative people around you, which really demotivates you, find someone who is positive, talk to that person. If that also you don't want to do, take a pause. You like singing, you like dancing, you like painting, do something that makes you a happier person, and once you are a little happy, go back to your vision board or go back to your writing. So don't do don't do anything, don't write, don't do your vision board when you're feeling low or sad. Do something, anything. If it's dancing for you, please go ahead, practice your dance, and you'll come back smiling because you did something that makes you happy. Right? You have so many options. If not this, do this. If not this, do that. Do something that makes you happy. Right? Someone's galaxy, you're not muted. I think the others didn't know that I have to join back. So I think the session was more or less complete, Jayashree. And thank you so much for letting me have this session today. Jayashree, can I just have your camera on for a while?
Sure.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
No, you don't need to thank me. Thank you so much, because it has been such an educative session. What I will do is I will merge both the recordings and I will share that with everybody. Thank you. And I apologize for what happened. I was trying to do something else along with this.
Nothing. I also couldn't share. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. Those were just the vision, the images that I have on my vision board. But I'll share that with Sunanadi and she'll forward it.
You can do that. So I can put it up as a collage with the recording on YouTube. Okay?
Okay.
I will do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for joining in. Thank you.